Well, when you're on Fulton Street, haven't been on Fulton Street for a long time, but had a gig tonight filming an exquisite band at the Beekman Hotel. The end of Fulton Street here, we got this wonderful tree still up representing. Well, I thought I'd take a little maiden 2026 flight around the area. Let's go.
Welcome to 2026. Birdseye fly. At the South Street Seaport in New York City. Feel it, the bounce. Hot slice of pizza. I'm glad to meet you. May the sky rise under your wings. 2026 and your bag of tricks. Birdseye fly at the South Street Seaport in New York City.